Hey everyone, I'm Brandon from Nagios and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick video for you on how to install Nagios Network Analyzer using Hyper-V. Like I said, this will be a quick video, so we'll just get started. Okay, so to begin downloading and installing and setting up Nagios Network Analyzer using Hyper-V, the first thing we need to do is navigate to nagios.com. At the top right, under Products, select Nagios Network Analyzer. You'll be prompted to enter in a bunch of information. Then you'll be redirected to this screen here. Where it says Hyper-V, you'll download this VHD. Now I already have the VHD downloaded. It's going to be in a zip file, so make sure you extract it where you want it to be. I'm going to copy the path of this for later. Switching over to the Hyper-V interface, we will select our server. We will select New and select Virtual Machine. On this beginning page, we can just hit Next. We'll give our virtual machine a name. I will just call it Nagios Network Analyzer or NNA. I'm going to leave the storage path default. If you want it to be changed, you would toggle this box here and change the path. I'm going to select Next. This will be Generation 1. Select Next. For our assigned memory, we recommend at least 2 gigs of RAM, so I'm going to put that in. Select Next. For our connection, we will just do a default switch. Again, select Next. Now, since we already have the VHD downloaded, we will select Use an existing virtual hard disk, hit Browse, and I'm going to paste in the path that I had copied earlier, hit Enter, and then select the VHD. Then we will hit Open, click Next. We'll get a summary of everything we just selected. If we are satisfied, we will click Finish. Here's our virtual machine. We can click Start and then click Connect to be able to see the terminal. Make that bigger for you guys to be able to see it. And as you can see, we are given a banner with our IP on it. With our desired web browser, we can navigate to that IP. So we will punch that in. Now that we got our IP put in here, we can hit Enter. I'll make this full screen. Here we'll go through the final installation process. So for our username, I'll leave a default. For our password, I'll just give it a basic one here. Email address can be whatever you want it to be so that you can have email notifications sent to it. I am not going to set that. I'm just going to do a default one. There we go. Our language will be English. And our time zone is just going to be Chicago. And then we can click Finish Installation. We are brought into the login screen, and with the credentials we just created, we will log in. And now we are ready to use Nagios Network Analyzer. And that wraps up today's video, folks. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any more questions, please visit support.nagios.com for some more documentation. Also, be sure to stop by our YouTube channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.